the first thing we picked up from Korea is skincare. Olive Young is not just a brand, it's a sensation in South Korea. Olive Young is in the airports also and every part of Korea. They give you, what do I say, refund for your passport. So you can show the passport, but you need not show the passport at every single Olive Young. I collected every single receipt of the Olive Youngs and went to the Busan airport and gave it all. And then they give you back a refund for the tax thing. I got a lot of skincare, lot of those face sheet masks to gift people, very unisex gift because anyone, old, young, boy, girl, everyone loves a skin mask. The other thing is, of course, keychains. The keychains which we got were soju keychains, ramen keychains, shaped keychains, fridge magnets, again, soju fridge magnets, ramen fridge magnets, the hanbok fridge magnets. In Busan, at the Gamcheon village, they have socks. So socks is something which is very popular to give over there or buy over there. So they have socks of every single color and combination and all the city names also. So we got back socks also from there. And of course, supermarket, like I bought back a lot of ramen. Like big instant ramen eaters in family. We are big meaning every single week we have. Or we went to South Korea. And a lot of my normal money also goes in buying. And so over there, I was able to get so many different flavors which I had never tried. You can buy 4, get 1 free. We bought 30 packets or 40 packets of ramen, really ramen. But I should not feel like I did not have that. So we got back mostly like food. I always like to get back something that I can cook again back when I come my travels. And so I got gochujang paste. Excited to try and get back that flavor of Korea. And of course, we have all these. And one Mampoli bottle, both are alcohols from South Korea. So a little souvenir from there, some cocktails, or just half the bottles. But skincare, I think, is totally different. You wouldn't buy skincare in any other city, like any other country. I've never gone and said I'm going to buy skincare. But something unique about South Korea per se. It is something that will stay for a long time. It's also very compact for gifting purposes versus the ramens which are so big and fluffy. And something different from the regular keychain and the fridge magnets raised by, of course. But this is something that was unique about that place. And K-beauty and K-pop and this thing is so popular now that everyone would appreciate that. I want to share one last thing was flip book. So this is flip book. I don't know if you can see. Okay. This is a flip book which has pictures in it. We've never seen a flip book store in one of our travels. Like they make one big thing about South Korea is they love pictures. This is in Busan, the only flip book store, at least he said, in the world. It's a flip book studio. It takes 8 seconds to make this. 8-second video of us. They had all the props. We had 3 props. One said 2024 November. One said, I love you. I held me too. And my husband was holding this thing which said 2024 family trip. This is the picture. And then they take that 8-second video of us and make it into an 80 pages flip book. Really special. And it's literally, it's for 20 Korean won, which is 10. And a fridge magnet comes for 4. So getting a flip book as a souvenir is the most precious. We've never had this from all our travels. It's so unique and we've never seen it anywhere else.